Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find Facebook user location. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook application and click on this search icon. And let's suppose I want to search person with the name of Ali and click on people. And here you can see different people. So click on this icon in the top right, and here you can see city, education, work and friends. So now I want to filter by the city. So let's suppose I want to see peoples from this city and click on show results. So now I am able to see the peoples from that specific city with the name of Ali, and I can contact with those person as well. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.